Is it better to have a specialized tool or an all-in-one? Here we'll be looking at the D'Addario all-in-one guitar tool along with the MusicNomad specialized tools for different jobs that we're going to be doing for the guitar when changing strings. Here we are winding down a string with the D'Addario all-in-one tool. It didn't feel as ergonomic, maybe because the handle it just felt flat and just couldn't really get a comfortable grip with it. But with the MusicNomad, of course, the handle was more ergonomic. It just felt smoother. So the strings were wound down. I seem to have misplaced my MusicNomad bridge pin puller, and the peg winder doesn't have one built in. So it's a good thing now that I have the D'Addario that's built in bridge pin puller. It's a little awkward though because I have to open it a little bit wider so I can fit in the tool to pull out the pins. So the all-in-one tool can also cut strings, but in this example, I saw that the slack and the actual string are really close, so I wanted like a more precise cut, but it was just a little awkward to cut it with the D'Addario string cutter. But here we have the MusicNomad that lets you kind of see what you're doing so you can get really up close. So depending how precise you want to be, maybe you just no slack at all, and you can get really precise with the cut. You'll have to manually open and close and follow all the way through if you're going to make your cut with the D'Addario. So if your hand's a little bit larger, it's not as comfortable. So with the MusicNomad, it's a lot wider if you have larger hands, and then of course it springs back open for you. Really up to your preference. Do you only want to carry one thing that does it all, like the D'Addario all-in-one tool, or do you want more specialized tools that do their specific job and with comfort in mind for those type of jobs? Thanks for watching.